Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. We can see that this is about the graph of the function f of x. The question, we need to sketch the graph of the derivative function, and here is about the location. We need to sketch the graph in here. So now I will show you how to answer. If we look carefully about this one, this is about increasing. So we have the formula in here. When first derivative of the function is greater than number 0, so that means the function increase. When first derivative of the function smaller than number 0, the function decrease. The next one, when first derivative of the function equals to number 0, so that means unchanged of the function, or maybe the point of this one in here, that is about critical point. So now I will show you how to answer. If we look on this one, that is increasing, so the area of this one should be in here. We have the black dot, so we put the black dot in here. Next to this one, we can see that they decreasing. So we see that this is about the jump. So this is about from positive go down to negative. That means from here we need to have the big area of the negative more than positive area in here. So we have this one. Later that this one is decreasing until when they reach about this point in here, they will go up again. So this point in here, that is about critical point. So because this is about critical point, first derivative of the function equals to number 0 in here. So that means to this point number 2, that's it in here, they go to here, and later that they go up until number 1. And they stop in here, and we put about the black dot because this is continuous in here. So to this one, we can see that this is about the light. We know the formula of the light, that should be about y equals to as plus b. So if we do first derivative of this one, we just have only 8. So we can see that this is about decrease. That means 8 should be about negative. So we can got about this one like this. So because this is about the dip, so there should be very big in here. because first derivative equal to a should be about the horizontal line like this. That's why we need to put this one in here. The next one from number 2 to number 5, this one that is about unchained. Unchained, that means first derivative of the function equals to number 0. So from here to here. The next one, this is about the line. So in this situation, a should be positive. So we should put in here. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.